Have you ever walked down to a waterfront, perhaps in New Bedford, and looked at the fishing boats wondering what kind of creatures that they catch? It's natural to assume that as a fishing net is dragged through the water, everything in its path will be caught and hauled on board. But today I'd like to introduce a new way for you to think about fishing. By studying behavior of how fish respond to the sensory cues that they receive from a fishing boat, we can design nets to catch specific species. That would be fishing smarter, not harder. First and foremost, my job consists of begging my way onto a fishing boat so that I can do science while the fishermen try to operate normally with me running around them with my clipboard. My actual goal is to retain cod catches while reducing incidental catch of flounders and young cod, using knowledge of the two species' behavior. Now I want you to look at this slide, on the images I have on the slide here. Quick terminology lesson. Ground gear is any type of material on the net that's dragged and makes contact with the ocean floor. Now side A depicts a normal fishing gear that's used on a cod net, and this is called our control net. Conversely, side B is the ground gear that we designed to install windows to let young cod and flounders to escape, and this is called our experimental. Now I want you to look at the images here, and if you look at side B, you can see that the catch mostly consists of large codfish. The windows are installed because the image of the opening actually takes advantage of the fact that when flounders first encounter the ground gear, their immediate response is to swim down or to take advantage of an opening to avoid being caught. It's the same for young cod, who are more likely to take advantage of openings than older, therefore larger cod. So side B is our clean catch, and you can see on side A that there are many different individuals of bycatch. Now, how can we be sure that we're retaining cod while not catching flounders and young cod? We do this by testing the two nets simultaneously, over and over and over again, taking samples all along the way. By taking length measurements as well as weights, we can quantify how the nets perform and determine whether or not we reached our goal. So, why should you care that we design nets that fish smarter? If we can ensure that nets catch the correct species, say healthy species, ones that do not have low abundances, we can reduce bycatch mortality, reduce fuel usage, and reduce fishing pressure on species that need time to recover. And these are steps on the road to a healthier ocean. So if you, like me, love fish and chips, you should be doing all that you can to preserve for the future. Thank you.